Sudipto. Can you hear me?
Yeah, here I am hearing you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sudipto, for joining this discussion.
Yeah, actually, it seems to me there is half an hour difference with Bangladesh time. So it
Yes.
seems to me at 8 p.m.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, so can you please explain the term SAP FICO in your own way?
FICO, FI means that is the only finance related. That is in SAP, FI means all the postings that has come to finance that that is dealt in FI module. And CO is basically the controlling module. Controlling means the management accounting portion. That is the internal reporting personal purpose or decision making purpose. Controlling basically, and all the financial statements that is being generated in SAP, that is through FI only.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the other modules to which financial accounting is integrated?
Actually, if I get the posting from all the modules, be it SD, that is sales and distribution, be it PP, everything, from everything, document flows to FI.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Can you tell me in SAP FI what are the organizational elements?
That is, you mean to say organizational structure.
Yes.
This company code is the highest mode.
Yes.
Then in through it is plant. In FI, it is sales organization. Yeah.
Can you explain what is validations and substitutions in SAP?
Good question. Actually, validation means when you are going to post any documents or any transactions in SAP, we attach some validation. Validation means some prerequisite must be met to post that document or post that transactions. If that prerequisites are not met, in that case, the validation will will come into play, and it will stop the transaction from transaction to post. And substitution means whenever we are doing any postings, some key fields or some fields we may need to change. In that case, substitution comes into play. In substitution, we provide an alternative value. Whenever we posting any documents with some another sets of values, in that case, substitution comes into play and substitute that values with the values provided in the substitutions.
Okay, thank you so much for your nice answer. So, can you tell me in SAP what is the use of FSV, means financial statement version?
That is purely a balance sheet and income statement.
Okay.
There are two parts. You can define it in your FSB. That is the income statement. Basically, in domain industry, what you say, that is the profit and loss statement as well as the balance sheet. That basically merged in the FSB.
Okay. So, my next question would be, so can you tell me what is a field status group?
Field status group actually controls the fields at the time of your postings. Whenever you do any postings in SAP, there are several fields. Field status group controls that fields. Which fields are optional, which fields are required, or which fields are suppressed. That is being controlled by field status group.
Okay. So, Mr. Sudipto, so in your team, how many team members are there? Can you please tell me?
I have worked in several projects in IBM. Several projects.
Okay. So,
In
how many
some
team
projects,
or
in some projects it is 15. In some projects it is 7. In some projects it is 2 or 3. that way.
Okay, so right now you are basically you are working in a team. So basically, I would like to
Yeah.
know your current situations. How many team members are there, and how many of them are reporting to you directly? I like to know this information.
Basically, working in controlling part. In controlling part, there are only 3, but in FICO module, there are around 17 in Bausch project.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Shudipto, so uh, why are you looking for a change right this moment?
Because I left IBM in January, I want to go solo now as an independent consultant. I am also working in IBM through third party again. That is my
So,
change.
okay. So, do you think there are some leadership qualities are there which is really required for a SAP FICO consultant?
Basically, leadership is always required. Otherwise, I can handle the projects. Because there are several requirements, several team members are there. You have to distribute the work as per the requirement, as per the uh, personal capabilities of the consultant. So leadership qualities are every time required.
Okay. Okay. So, may I know what is your current CTC per annum?
Current CTC per annum 20 lakhs
Okay.
in Indian currency.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Sudipto, thank you so much for joining this discussion.
Hmm?
Basically, you know,
Hmm?
this is a very initial phase of this.
Okay, okay, I know.
So, if you are shortlisted in this round, they'll contact you
Hmm?
for the details. So
Okay,
wish you a very good luck. Let's see.
okay,
Thank you for joining.
okay. Thank you. Thank you.